Yo, what's up? Come back, Little Genia. I just service again and again and again. And for today, another Viva 14 challenge. But this time, it's kind of different one because no cam, no midfielder, no anything in this challenge. And yes, it's Levante time. It's Levante versus Espanyol. So, time remaining 78 minutes. So only goal have two. So remember, no midfielders this time. No midfielders. Let me check. Okay, I think this is the best. Okay, let's go. Let me try to win. Here we go. This guy, Barao, one down. What? Diwata! Another goal for Diwata Pares overload. Wait, it's kind of easy by the way. Okay, I think, okay, mababash ako. No, 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 no. Kada amateur. That's why it's kind of easy. Okay, let me fix again. Jason Redondo play here. Diwata Pares overload. We play here and then, there you go. You know what happens? Okay, Pong Navarro, 1+1. No, no, that's not. Oh, Vinicius Jr. to Bar to Ludacris, Chris Brown to what the heck? Oh my god. No way, yeah, yeah. Foul. No call foul. What's going on? No, why? They don't like to foul. Where's the foul? Uh, no, no, no bong. No bong, no bong. It's your time. Oh my god. Tayo tumalon, tayo sumigaw, maghanap ay tayo'y sumaya. It's your show to, this is your time. Mapasikat na, it's show time. Ten, 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 ten. Oh my god! This is the longest shot that I've made in my life. By Bong Navarro. And the crowd is getting noise. Gusto gusto niya magpasikat. So, it's showtime! Sanya Lopez. Here goes Pong Navarro with the steal. Here comes Bars. Baral. Bababaral. To Jason Abalos. Okay. No, no. No, not again. Not again. Not again. Who to pass the ball? Pong Navarro to Sanya Lopez to the guy. Diwata Pares overload. Back to Bong Navarro. Bong Navarro. Bong Navarro. Bong Navarro. Up. Looking for the. Looking. Who's looking for? Ninja Luxin, but no. Oh, what a save. My, Diwata versus my character from the Dreamer series. Here we go. Minus pass by Ruda Chris. Chris MD one-on-one against RR Garcia. There you go. Goes Stuart Little to Simon to okay, steal by then here comes but okay. There you go. Hudas. Hudas ka. Pwede pa hudas ka. Wala. Kasi na siya na. Angel Oxin. Get a pass to Baral. Looking for Jason Redulo. Talking there. Oh yeah. Jason Derulo. Writing solo. Pili ng gusto, binesta masyado, matumanahe, is in masyado, solo. Amadi solo. Okay. So now, the only way right now in for this halftime is going to defend our lead. Thank you, Bong Navarra, for the longest shot of the year. And this guy, the singer, the Hollywood star. And that's the halftime. No whistle. No whistle. Please whistle. Please whistle. Please whistle. Okay. Angel's Burger. You're all my angel. Baby Angel's Burger. You're my Angel Burger. Yum. Okay, halftime. Halftime for the day. And let's go. Now, let me try. Now, here we go. Kin Garcia to Fuentes. Fuentes. I forgot who's the celebrity named Fuentes. Here comes the boo. What a save. What a save. No way. Wow. But that's a great play ever. Wow. Okay. Now they are tied again. The only way to keep the score is to pick it back to lead. There we go. Diwata Paris overload is to Angel Aquino. Come on, Angel. Come on. Angel. Angel. Angel Locsin, Angel Aquino, Angel. Uy, sayang long shot ng Bong Navarro. Uy, sayang yung long shot ng Bong Navarro. Panalunin nyo na. Here go. Angel. Nalungsid. Tarna! Tila ibon kong lumipad. Sumabay sa hangin. Ako'y napatingin sa dalagang nabebelot ng hewaga. Let's go! Oh, bad pass. Yes, go. Oh, jump, brother. Was no. Oh, run, run. Oh, run. He's running. He's running. Cooking show. No. Now looking for the game winner. No way. No fucking. No. Clutch. Go. Paul. No way. Oh, clutch. Fire. Yes. Clutch. 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 What the counter attack? Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Calm down. Calm down, Kevs. Yes. Finally. With the clutch moments. No tie. No tie. Masasayang yung longer shot ni Bong Navarro. No. No way. It's over now. Over now. Over. It's over. No. Yes, it's over. What the heck? No whistle. I think it's over now. It's over. Rip. Yes. Finally. With the longest shot, courtesy of Bong Navarro and the clutch moments of Baral. Wow. What a great sequence. This is the greatest sequence ever. Start with Bong Navarro, and then here comes Jason Redulo, and here comes Stuart later to take a tie, Angel with a snatch, Stuart later again, but no, Baral has been the clutch. Thank you na Bong Navarro and Baral. Wow, that's the best game that I take for my life. Wow, very much. So next will be the Liverpool versus Norwich. kind of easy because only only one goals need. Yeah. So that's it for today for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Okay, Wakaweta Junior. Bye for now. Come on. Finally. You ass! 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 Ass!